This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Honda Civic key battery. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver, which is essential for prying open the key fob without causing damage. Also, make sure you have a new CR1616 coin cell battery ready. It's a good idea to place a soft cloth on your workspace to prevent scratches to your key fob during the process. This preparation ensures a smooth battery replacement. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually near the key ring attachment point. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, you can pry apart the two halves of the key fob. Be patient and avoid excessive force to prevent breaking any plastic tabs. The goal is to separate them cleanly. With the key fob open, it's time to replace the battery. First, observe how the old battery is oriented, noting which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side. Use your small screwdriver to gently lift and remove the old battery from its compartment. Then, take your new CR1616 battery and carefully insert it, ensuring the positive side faces upwards, just like the old one. It should fit snugly. Finally, let's reassemble and test your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob, making sure all the internal components are properly seated. Press the halves firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Once reassembled, immediately test all the functions of your key fob, such as locking and unlocking your vehicle, to ensure the new battery is working correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.